Hello everyone. Today I got one fish about 800 grams. And I'm going to make two dishes. One is fish soup with bone and fish head. And the meat that was filleted, make creamy fish with lemongrass paste.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you.
Why tilapia fish? Tilapia is known for its sweet, mild taste and flaky texture. The taste of tilapia fluctuates greatly depending on water quality. But we choose our fish from Mekong River. Its taste amazing. Tilapia is a popular food in Cambodia, sourced due to its afford and numerous health benefits. Here is lemongrass. I am going to make soup first. By using shallot, kaffir lime leaves to make soup better flavor. I use salt to clean fish. Now fish soup is done. And I'm going to make another dishes. By slice the fish tiny. I use lemongrass and spring onion to marinate the fish slices. Now I'm going to make lemongrass paste. I'm using lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, garlic, galangal, turmeric and Chinese ginger. Now I'm ponding them all together. We do not use oil, we use coconut cream to make our food. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.